What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365. Today we are going to be reviewing the John Varvatos Artisan Pure. That's what we got here. Artisan Pure by John Varvatos. I've got the 2.5 ounce bottle here for you guys. We're going to be reviewing this. Open the box up. Presentation on here. It's got a really cool wicker cover on the bottle here. But let's look at this and see if this men's fragrance smash the box. I got this one in here. This one costs around $40 US from discounters and stuff like that. Some of the notes are top notes being clementine, mandarin orange, lemon, bergamot, thyme, marjoram. The middle notes on this one are petitgrain and ginger. The base notes are woody, musk, orris root, and amber. The opening on this one isn't bad. Like, it's fresh. You can definitely smell the citrus. About 30 seconds after the breakdown, you really start to smell the orange, the lime, the lemon, the bergamot is really up front. That's what comes out on top the most. Give it 20 seconds or something like that. You can really start to smell the clementine and the mandarin orange. For me, though, it's really not that good. For me, there are better fragrances out there for cheaper in this kind of vein of a citrusy fragrance. It's really musky for me. And while this one's got a lot of hype, and while the price is pretty reasonable as far as fragrance goes, I don't know, man. I give this one, I would say probably like 6.5 out of 10, maybe 7. It's a very, fresh, but the musky side of that really pops. There's definitely not any sweet notes to this. I would really like to have a little more sweetness. This might be good if you're layering a fragrance, like maybe mixing this with like a Versace Eros EDP or something like that, where you can get a little bit of that sweetness in there. I don't know. I just kind of like men's fragrances that have a little bit more of a sweeter base, right? Like on the dry down, you get that kind of pleasant, sweeter scent. And for me, it's really kind of underwhelming. And on a blind buy, based on a lot of the really good and popular reviewers that are out there, I don't know, man. I'm really not convinced. There's just like a lot of other fragrances that I would rather recommend. I would rather have like an Issey Miyake. I think that one's a lot better. The original Acqua di Gio, kind of similar in smelling to this, but maybe not as citrusy. But the Issey Miyake is probably, I would say, the fragrance that smells the closest to this. I just think that's better. Is it horrible? No. Going back and looking kind of at my 6.5 out of 7, I would say maybe on the dry down, as it's starting to lighten up a little bit, maybe more of a 7. I tend to prefer fragrances on the dry down more than the opening. But I don't know, for $40, right? Which that's what this is, the 2.5 ounce bottle. $40, 2.5 ounces. I don't know, man. I think I would rather go with the Issey Miyake, which you can sometimes find a lot cheaper. You really can. Is this horrible as a summer fragrance? No. And if you like the musk, if you really like that kind of gingery, musky types of fragrances, you would probably enjoy this one more than the Issey Miyake. But I'm going to tell you right now, for me, while I do enjoy a little bit of musk, the musk for me, even in the opening, comes out, pretty strong. Main accords, you know, it's a citrusy, aromatic, fresh, spicy, herbal. Maybe it's the herbal. It's going to be the herbals part of this that I think I don't appreciate. Been a ton of reviews on this. Is it for me? I don't know. The cap for me, the presentation, it's just a plastic, really light, fixed cap. It doesn't click or lock into place. The bottle's cool. You know, I don't know. 7 out of 10, man. 7 out of 10 for me. But this is the John Varvatos Artisan Pure. My quick breakdown. Review it. Would I recommend it to you, my faithful? I'm gonna say pass. But that's me. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to let you know every single time that we upload a video or go live. We do a lot of lives, top 5, top 10s, doing that kind of stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.